refers to New York City as our city. They are in this together. And he does not veer off purpose, even when a reporter tries to get him to.
So you say you love New York City. Mr. Mamdani, does New York City love President Trump?
New York City loves a future that is affordable. And I can tell you that there were more New Yorkers who voted for President Trump in the most recent presidential election because of that focus on cost of living. And I'm looking forward to working together to deliver on that affordability agenda.
Mamdani does shift away from the question about whether New York loves Trump because that's off purpose. The point, the shared purpose, is about how much Trump and Mamdani authentically love New York. And then he pivots to what he heard from the people, some of the people who voted for Trump. One of the reasons they shared with him was because Trump, they believe that Trump cares about cost of living. So that is 100% on purpose. I don't think it's flattery. It is in alignment with their shared purpose. And that is what Mamdani is all about moving forward with. It costs him nothing to acknowledge what he heard from the people who voted for Trump. Mamdani even manages to tie a question about U.S. funding of the Middle East back to their shared purpose.
I think you feel very, very strongly about peace in the Middle East.
We desperately want it, and that's something that I shared with the president, that when I spoke to New Yorkers who had voted for the president last November on Hillside Avenue and Fordham Road, I asked them why. I heard again and again two major reasons. One was that they wanted an end to forever wars. They wanted an end to the taxpayer dollars we had funding violations of human rights, and they wanted to address the cost of living crisis.
That's how you can use the Mamdani method in your own home. Simple, but not easy. I want to offer you the Conflict Prevention Jumpstart Kit. And there's invitations to the conflict repair cafes that I host on a regular basis, both online and in person. Information about how to get your very own Jumpstart Kit is in the description at the bottom of this YouTube video.